emakhaya sibingelela yonke indawo emnwabisi Mtshali ngiyabona mfethu ukuthi ziyabuyela kwi-netball ingabe likhona ni talent njengoba ke si abaqulusi sikhetha isquad esiyosimela eZululand ngokubuka kwakho nje mawubuka nje ikhona ni talent.
Now, to be quite honest, talent likhona, but us as abaqulusi there is a lot of work to be done with the challenges because what we've noticed namanje, we don't have enough numbers as to abantwana that are abasebenama ID. Majority engane ebuye idlalela zina 13, but indlela abadlala ngayo they prove to be better even nalaba abadala. So lokho khomba ukuthi as time goes by sinengane ekhula kahle. Kunale gap leya yenzeka but ngawuthi le gap it's due to COVID-19 because mothi yabheka yilapho khona kube ne gap khona kakhulu. So hinto ithola sometimes baqulisa iba nenkinga mebhekana nabo Dumbe no Lundi no Nongoma because that's where development yethu isaleka lapha. But I'm happy ukuthi we will still sababona labancane abanabo 13 and we see ukuthi then we are going somewhere. So there is talent.
Okay. Kusho ukuthi uma uthi wena abaningi laba baneminyaka esemncane kusho ukuthi ifuture yethu ibright noma ke singeke sebe nabo mhlawumbe kakhulu laba abasebelungela ukuthi bangacompete okusho ukuthi kulonyaka kungenzeka singenzi kahle ngenxa lesizathu sishoyo.
Yeah, according to lokho ngibuka manje we not expecting much because of the lack of talent. But as time goes by, the years go, it's in the future end. Our future is looking bright, so it's just for us to go back, sikhulume nabatwana, sisebenze. Our coach basebenze, municipality and sports is all ungenelele in terms of development. Not only batwana kuphela. Remember ukuthi kunama officials that needs to be developed, that needs ukuthi badlalise certain games, babhale certain tests so that bezoba suitable enough ukuthi badlalise la. Abanye bompire sinabo la abakaze babhala. So at the moment we're still working on development but we don't have funding. So omasipala mele bengenele lapho and even ama officials they need ama workshop because in order for us to have talent eli right nokhuluma ingane kahle you need to also work with officials as well. So we need to work we need to work and just create a budget for ukuthi sikhulise o-umpire, sikhulise o-referee, sikhulise o-coach as a whole.
Hey uyabona kukhona kunye osekungintereste kakhulu ukubona ukuthi kanti i-netball nabafana bayidlala ezingeni elihle kangaka. Uyabona njengamanje nje ngiyabona ukuthi hey ziyabuya impela kubafana. Mhlawumbe ukubona abafana uma ubheka nje ikhona yini i-future ke kwi-netball yabafana nje mhlambe la ebaqulusini mhlambe kwi-district noma ke mhlambe nje KZN noma ke South Africa nje iyonke.
Okay, kubafana there is a future. Ubuka omasipala mobhe uya ngapha eThekwini abaningi bayadlala netball. So ngapha kusasenayo narrative ukuthi maybe sports abantu besimama. But then you also need to understand ukuthi in netball only started being professionalized so bafana or recognized kubafana at the year 2017 when Usisila Mulukwana came in as the president of Netball South Africa. That's when she started recognizing in netball yabafana. So it's still a growing thing. Yabo because okunye kuba nanokuthi abanye mebebona abafana bedlala kuba nokuthi hayi mhlasimbe ingoba laba bazi inkonkono angifuni ungena lapho because kunokuthiwa igender LGBT but yayenzeka you find males eloneni kwi-netball you find abo other die.
Nganje muhle umsebenzi enwenzayo sengathi nje ke ngingaqhubeka nokwenza umsebenzi omuhle kodwa kukhona kokugcina engifuna ukukubuza nje ukuthi ke la ebaqulusini ngaphandle kokuthi kube i-Mayoral Cup ikhona yini team nje engeyabaqulusi noma nje eyasemphakathini la khona i-netball idlalwa khona ukuze mhlambe nabafisayo ukuza for ukuthi ba develop bebeze bazodlala.
To be quite honest, la elokishini bakhona amaqembu akhona. Town we still struggling ukuvula i-team due to ukuthi mele kukhulumisana ngisho nanabelungu. They are afraid to be involved because babukela indawo esikuyo they feel it's not safe. So abaningi bagcina ngokudlala ezikolweni. And that's where talent now you need to also look at abaqulusi kunema high school amaningi. We should be producing great netball players. But due to they don't want to involve themselves with system per se or nabantu abala because of his safety. So if we can work on his safety and looking at infrastructure yethu ama courts nani I think then we are going to grow. And sithole uchazo even from umasipala basize icommittee labaqolisile netball sizokwazi outreach kahle sikhulumisane nezikolo because siumasipala nezikolo may ikolo mezingayizi involve ngeke size sikwazi ukuthi siproduce italent esilidingayo yonke into iqala esikolweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke siyiMakhiwa TV siyabonga kakhulu ngeinformation osinikeza yona siyakholwa ukuthi ke inetball izokhula ebaqulusini futhi ke sizobe sikhona la ngalela langa la ngomhla ka10 la khona ke abaqulusi bazobe sebe compete namanye omasipala onongoma noLundi noDumbe sibone ukuthi team ke selection namhlanje izokwazi ukwenza sibongele kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho bhuti.
Cha kubonga mina konke ukukhule nje naMakhiwa TV sibone la ikhulu siyabonga
kakhulu.